Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are doing my January 2020 Petitvour unboxing. But before we get into that, I am wearing some of the products that I have received recently in some of my other boxes. So I wanted, sorry, that's my email. I wanted to go over them with you and give you an idea of what I think of them. So this one, this is from a few months back, but I don't remember ever using it or talking about it. This is from Denor by the Organic Face. It doesn't have a color name on it, but here's the product. My email is going ham, okay. And here is what it looks like. And it's pretty much like a face cheek product, and I really liked it. I don't like the packaging. I found it hard to really get my finger that deep into this type of well and get a lot of product on it, so that was kind of irritating. But the product itself I think is really pretty and makes a really nice cheek color. I know I'm like lit from one side from the window being there, but I hope you guys can see just how pretty that is as a cheek color. There, maybe you could see a little better. I've just moved the mirror around. I don't know. So after that, I'm going to talk about the Ibby Radiant Glow Highlighter in Prosecco. For me, at least on this particular foundation, I think it applied a little bit chunky. The glow is pretty, but I'm going to chalk that up to this foundation because I don't really love this one. I'm just kind of using it for the sake of using it up. But I do think this would be prettier on a nicer foundation. So I'm going to stick it back where I keep my everyday makeup and try it on a different foundation and see how it goes. But overall, the glow itself, very pretty. The color, really pretty. I used two eyeshadows I've gotten recently. The Medusa's Makeup Totally Baked Eyeshadow in Bitchin'. So let me open that up. That is the color. Super pigmented. I thought it would be I thought it would have a lot of fallout, and it didn't. It actually applied to my eyeshadow primer really nicely. Gorgeous color and just really pretty. I don't know if you're really gonna be able to see that all that well. And then in the crease, I used this Nude by Nature Natural Illusion Pressed Eyeshadow in the color Stone. So that is that color. Just a really pretty dark chocolate brown. And I just really buffed that out a lot in the corners and took it a little under the eye. I thought this was really pretty too. And I know we've spent like 3 minutes talking about other products, not the topic of the video, but I also used on my lips for Medusa's Makeup the Brenda Hearts Dylan Hearts Kelly line. This is Dylan Hearts Kelly, and it is just a really pretty red liquid lipstick, and it is not gonna focus. There we go, that took forever. I really like the way the brush is made. It's got kind of a dip in the middle so it holds product. So you really don't have to dip in here a million times to get your full lip applied. And I think it's beautiful. It applies matte. Well, it applies kind of wet and then dries down to matte. It's not super drying. I do not feel like I'm gonna have crepey Crypt Keeper lips in a matter of 20 minutes. And it's just a pretty color. I love it. That's everything I'm wearing from recent subscription boxes that I wanted to share with you guys and give you a little bit of a review on. Now let's go ahead and get looking into what came in my Petitvour box this month. Okay, so the first item we have here is from the Seaweed Bath Co. They've sent products from this company before, 100% sure of that. It's the Exfoliating Detox Body Soap with Arabica Coffee and Cinnamon. So that's kind of cool. I don't typically buy soaps for my body, so that'll be interesting to try. Let's read about it. So this is an $8 value for 106 grams. Gently softens and, oh, wait a minute. This says that they sent the Purifying Detox Facial Bar, but I got the Exfoliating Detox Body Soap. So I don't know what's up with that, but I'll just read you the description of the facial bar. Gently softens and purifies for smoother, healthier looking skin. Organic, sustainably harvested seaweed with 65 plus vitamins and minerals, naturally detoxifying and promotes skin elasticity. So a little bit of a hiccup there on Petitvour's end, but either way, I did get a similar product from the Seaweed Bath Co. Both products, the one that it gives me the description of and this one, are from the Seaweed Bath Co. So I'm sure they're of similar value. Maybe they just ran out of one and gave me another one. I'm not too worried about it. I'll probably use this over the other one anyway, so pretty cool. Next, this is a big container. It is from Evan Oil and Water Balancing Ritual. Ideal for dry, oily combination skin. Hydrates, moisturizes, and provides skin-loving antioxidants. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside the package. There's like a two-step looking thing. Now let's read about this. Okay. This is a $10 value oil and water balancing calming ritual. The serum mimics the skin's protective barrier. Add a generous misting of facial tonic to 2 drops of serum, warm in palms and press into face, 1 ounce. So rose hip treatment facial serum and rose geranium facial tonic hydrosol. So it seems like this probably has, I don't see ingredients listed anywhere. I'll have to go and look, but it seems like this is gonna have rose and geranium in it. Like I said, I'm trying to avoid that moving forward in toners and mists, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use that or not. I'm also going to have to look up the ingredients for the little facial tonic or facial serum as well. So this is going to be like a maybe it'll be good, maybe not. I'm not hopeful for that facial mist, the tonic, so we'll see. That'll require some research. The next item we have here is from Inception Sense, and I think it might have been in the subscription box. I received one of these before in the scent Sultry. So maybe it wasn't this one. I don't know what box that came in. I don't remember. But this is the Inception Sense in Gossamer. So let's see, Gossamer perfume. This is a $15 value for this little one for 5 milliliters. A celebration of all women and varied forms of beauty. Notes of pink peony, freesia, lychee, magnolia, lily rose, cedarwood, and amber create a rich, complex fragrance that is widely loved. So let's give it a sniff. Now, hopefully my own fragrance I'm wearing doesn't distract from this, but I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. It's very light. It smells very like a springtime fragrance. I don't know if I really have an opinion on it. It's so light that you almost don't even smell it. But it's pretty. Oh, yeah, when you put some friction to it, the smell definitely picks up. Yeah, it's just kind of a light floral. It's pretty. I don't know if it's something I would seek out and repurchase, but I'm definitely going to use the whole thing and probably enjoy it because it is a very pretty scent. And it's kind of cool that I've gotten two of these Inception scents, so I'm getting kind of a feel for the line. The last item I have to share with you guys is from Ginger and Gold. It's the Illuminating Peach Gold Blush with ginger, lychee, mangosteen, and chamomile extracts. So it's from Seraphine Beauty, or Seraphine Botanicals. Yes. Okay, this is a multi-dimensional blush with micro gold frosting for subtle shimmering flush, infused with lychee and ginger and chamomile extracts for radiance and hydration. It's 3 grams and it's a $14 value. So let me show you the packaging. It's just really cute. Got metallic gold edges. And the product itself. Oh, so it's a twist off and it's come a bit loose. So here is the product. And then here's what it looks like in the container. It is gorgeous in the container. I guess I'm just gonna swipe right over that perfume I put on my wrist. Let's give it a swatch. That's beautiful. Come on, focus. Look how gorgeous that is. I think I'm gonna really like that. I think I'm gonna love that, I'm not gonna lie. It's so, I just stuck the lid in it. It's so pretty. Don't really love this twist off packaging, especially since like it even came loose in the packaging. I feel like a little bit of jostling and traveling with this would make it come apart really easily, so maybe not the best for traveling, but the color is gorgeous. Okay, so fragrance, not my favorite scent, but definitely a scent I will use, so I like that. This blush is gorgeous, and this body soap, I'm not usually a bar soap person, but I do think it's something that me or Austin will eventually use. This is the only one I'm not super excited about. The toner, or the tonic, in its name says rose geranium, so I know it's going to be fragranced. I might end up giving that away. I need to research what is in the little serum that's included to see if it's something I want to keep or not, but honestly I might end up just giving the whole thing away just so it's in a set form to a friend, so we'll see. I'm not super jazzed about it, but these three are very exciting. So, and this one in particular, super exciting. The color is gorgeous. So 10 out of 4, not a bad box. Not my favorite box. I really liked the, what was the Kinder Beauty box that came this month. So that was pretty exciting. This one maybe not the most exciting of the month, but still got some really cool stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. As always, I will link to Petitvour. I will link to all the items I am wearing, whether it be face makeup or clothing. This is a current season sweater. I really like it. I'm vibing the brown. I will find something similar to these earrings because they're pretty old. Austin got me these like years and years and years ago. But anyway, I will talk to you all later. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!